Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Sick Sister Always Miss Me. Chapter 18, so here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Wenzhou. Suddenly, Yulian come in time and now she was holding Wenzhou, who seems to be unconscious. Yulian said, "What do you want to do with her?" Now, she really gets angry. "She is my sister. Yulian, if you have time to lose your temper with me, why don't you pay more attention to Chow Chow? She is so sick and, well, this is it." Right now, she was really losing her composure. But Wenzhou suddenly said, "Stop talking." Oh, finally, she seems to be conscious. Well, this is tough. Wenzhou, she looks really tired. Also, Yulian said, "Chow Chow, let's go to the hospital." She took off her shoes and she was going to carry her. Looking at it, Yulian, she must be rattled. She is really worried about her. Chow Chow said, "I don't want to go to the hospital. Don't want to go to the hospital." She continued to told her, "Right now, Yulian, she is only focusing on her. What about the medicine? Where is it?" It was pertaining for the maintenance of Wenzhou. Wenzhou, she really needs to take medicine. On the other hand, there's a man. "Miss Su, this is the medicines you want." Finally, I already got it. Finally, Yulian gave her a medicine so Wenzhou can really take it. Yulian said, "Let's go to the upstairs room." She was still carrying her. Well, it turns out she is really a strong person that she can carry Wenzhou. Julian said to her, "Chow Chow, take your medicines." Now she was giving her water and the medicines so that she can able to take it. Wenzhou, since she really feels uncomfortable, she can only said and she looks really tired. She need to take rest. "Yulian, it was my negligence that I forgot that you have been in a poor health since childhood. I don't blame my sister," Wenzhou said to Yulian, "but it was really her negligence. Why suddenly Wenzhou ended like this?" Wenzhou, she was calling Yulian, elder sister. Well, this girl, she looks really uncomfortable. "Chow Chow, don't be afraid. I will be with you." Now, Yulian, she was hugging her tightly, and probably she really won't leave her, cause Wenzhou until now, she looks really uncomfortable. Chow Chow asked Yulian, "Will my sister accompany me like she did when I was a childhood?" Yulian said, "I will." I remember what happened in the past. It was possible before, and it was possible now, in the future also. Wenzhou, she was really lucky that Yulian was always by her side. Even though right now, Yulian is trying to comfort Chow Chow. She hugged her tightly. It seems that Chow Chow, she was still sleepy. She was leaning on her shoulder. Well, that was a real sweet. Finally, after taking medicine, Yulian said her to take rest for a while. Well, they really need to. On the other hand, it was Yulian right now. He seems to be sleepy. Of course, he took care of her whole night. Right now, she really feels sleepy. It was next day in the morning when Wenzhou is the one awakened early. It was next day morning and she gradually opening her eyes. It turns out when she looked around, it was Yulian. She was still sleeping. Look at her. She really did not leave her. Also, she really stayed with her all night. Yulian, she must really like her, right? Why did you suddenly have a fever? Doctor, please, come and take a look. I remember when Yulian before, she was always rattled. Situation like this, she always be the one who's getting rattled. Except for Wenchao. Well, Wenchao, she was touching her hair, trying to wake her up. But look at it right now, finally, she really awakened. Sister, you're awake. Then said, Now, looking at the two of them, Julian suddenly paused when Wenchao come closer to her. She's going to greet her. Good morning, sister. Then said, Morning. Oh, this girl. She really going to kiss her. Well, good morning, sister. Wenchao. She looks really happy. She is really shy about this. How you feel right now? Feeling better? But, of course, is your legs numb? You want to come to bed and get some rest? Well, finally, she really fell down on her lap. Maybe she was really sleepy. I will listen to my sister, Wenchao said to her. But looking at Julian, what's going on? Could it be that my family is bankrupt? The 20 flash missed call and 90 flash chat message. Oh, maybe there's something important about her mom. But Leah, miss, you and her sisters are famous right now, do you know? You are on a real-time hot search and now every platform is frantically digging up you and your sister. Oh, this is bad. How can this be happening? Sharing the photo of the two beautiful sisters taking with the team at the entrance of the charity gala last night. The daughters of the wealthy families described online as a novel, cold and elegant. With these two faces, are you really not considering making your debut? Save the entertainment industry where are really declining. Well, right now, the two of them is really getting serious about reading the message. Sister, what are you looking at? Wenchao is asking her, but Yulian said to her, it was nothing, it's just. Thankfully, her temperature is normal. What's up with the photos of trending search? Oh, this is Yulian. Her mother is gonna take it seriously. It was a small theater. While her mother is talking to her sister, now she's pretending to sleep so that she can escape from her mother's. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.